Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best utility carts that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Rubbermaid 3-shelf rolling utility push cart. This is a lovely design utility cart with 4 roller casters to allow smooth movement in the house. It is made from high-density aluminum and plastic construction, making it lightweight, sturdy and maneuverable. Besides that, it has an ergonomically designed push cart handle that offers optimum hand placement, improving control as well as worker safety. The push cart is ideal for transporting heavy loads in almost any environment and supports up to 200 pounds of total weight capacity. This utility cart has a compact design and will easily navigate through tight restaurant tables, office spaces, classrooms, garages, store aisles, and more. What's more, the cart won't dent, rust, peel, or chip. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Finnhomy heavy-duty 3-tier storage utility cart. The Finnhomy storage utility cart is another top-quality trolley cart with 4 inches industrial wheels allowing easy movement around the home. The cart is made from industrial-strength steel, making it super strong to hold up to 500 pounds. Moreover, this multifunctional utility cart can moor many small appliances, making it ideal for kitchens, restaurants, offices, garages, warehouses, etc. This mobile cart also comes with a convenient handle push bar for easy pushing or pushing. In addition to that, it has high-quality anti-rust shelves that will let you store fresh meat, fish, and vegetables, and so on. Lastly, the cart measures 30 inches L by 18 inches W by 32.4 inches H and requires no tools to assemble. At number 3, we have the Seville Classics Ultra Durable 3-tier utility cart. The Seville Classics Commercial Grade Utility Cart is a premium quality trolley cart that is certified by ANSI to NSF Standard Food Equipment. This makes it ideal for home, office, and commercial environments. Ideally, the utility cart measures 34 inches W by 18 inches D by 33.5 inches H and has a weight capacity of up to 500 pounds. Besides that, it is made from industrial-strength steel that has ultra-zinc plating, making it durable and long-lasting. The cart features a large rounded steel handle that makes it easy to control when full or empty. Subsequently, the cart has large 4 inches wheels, 2 locking, allowing you to roll the cart from one room to another. At number 2, we have the Trinity Utility Cart 3-tier. In the world of utility carts, this 3-tier cart is one true giant. It is constructed from high-injection molded PP, making it handle the toughest jobs. Moreover, it is built to resist rust, stains, scratches, and dents. Each shelf measures 24 inches W by 16 inches D and takes 15 to 30 minutes to assemble. What's more, the utility cart has 3 inches by 1 inch swivel casters with 2 non-locking and 2 lockings, allowing you to roll the cart from one place to another. The cart can lift heavy materials of up to 300 pounds. 100 pounds per shelf. Assembling the tool is very quick and simple, and no tools required to assemble this cart. And finally, at number 1, we have the ECR4 Kids Metal Rolling 3-tier utility cart with casters. Stylish and elegant, ECR4 Kids utility cart provides you with a classic way of organizing and storing your personal items. It is a 3-tier metal rolling utility cart that has a capacity of 20 pounds per shelf. It will give you plenty of storage and organization while allowing you to keep all your necessities close to your hand. What's more, the utility cart is built to last with durable powder-coated steel shelves and frames that are resilient and strong. This multifunctional mobile cart has been safety tested, making it the best products to the customers. With its 4 durable rolling casters, this makes it easy to move wherever you need. To conclude, the cart comes in 2 colors to choose from: calming turquoise and classic black hue. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.